SADC releases a sober statement calling for calm in Mozambique ahead of announcement of results, a day after Block's chair Mnangagwa congratulates the ruling party. Sanapenda mashoko atona kuti aiwa SADC inokomenda pamusoro pema elections akatika Mozambique chiti aiwa vanhu ngavanyarare ngavaite runyararo apo tikamira nyika yeZimbabwe the SADC chair anoannounce kuti aiwa ma-elections aya it was an election victory akanga ari fair akanga ari credible. Sanapenda mashoko amudanyuka pana kuti subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mu newszimbabwe.com manyora chiti regional board SADC has released a statement calling for calm in Mozambique ahead of official announcement of results, a day after its chairperson, President E.D. Mnangagwa, prematurely congratulated the ruling party Frelimo for winning at the country's polls held last week. Mnangagwa told ZANU-PF political members that the party was ready to work with the Frelimo presidential candidate Daniel Chapo, whom he declared president in his speech at the ruling party's meeting. With the accusations of rigging dominating the elections, supporters of Frelimo and those of independent candidate Venancio Motlhane have been engaged in running battles across Maputo. Results expected on Friday. SADC Organ on Politics chairperson Samia Suluhu Hassan, the president of Tanzania, said she was aware that the CNE was finalizing results. SADC is aware that the electoral management bodies and the other relevant institutions are finalizing the election results expected to be released in due course, said Hassan. Thomas Panamudanyuka pana but chiona kuti aiwa zvinhu zviri kuitika zvinoratidza kuti pane incompetence iri kuitika mu the SADC region. Vakomana vanenge vachitoannounce but tinoona kuti the situation iko kuMozambique hapana patingawotarisira kuti SADC as a block inga ichitaura mashoko ingataura ichivacongratulate pa the election victory. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Comment section medu, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.